The ladies, they love my hair. I'm always getting stopped on the street or like on the train. They're always like, oh my gosh, like, I want to touch your hair. And I'm just like, I had a few missed appointments and then it just kept going. And, and then this happened.
And you've been blowing it off for a year and a half. And this is where we get.
Yeah.
You don't shower in the morning, right?
I actually wash my hair like 2 to 3 times a week. It takes about 40 minutes for me to like detangle and wash and comb. I've realized that if I don't keep my hair moisturized, it will like break off. I like this one because it's actually very light, so it works really well for my hair. I go through a lot of hair products too.
Yeah, it's a lot of hair to moisturize.
It's a lot of hair, so it's definitely like 2 more.
Yep.
For the back of my head, I just kind of do like just a crazy, like just wipe it all over the place.
Yeah.
I generally spray on this Mizani Miracle Milk. It's kind of like my leave-in conditioner. Just kind of spray it all over and then give it like one quick wipe down. Sometimes I do use this oil. This is made by Dark and Lovely. I don't like using it that much because I feel like it gets all over the place. And
just when you need to.
This is something that you put on like right after you get out the shower. Before you get dressed, you will probably put this in your hair.
So you don't drip this on your shirt?
Then like dry from the towel.
So once you're well moisturized, what do you do? What are the finishing touches before you walk out the door?
I do this. And then do that. The top of my hair tends to always fall flat, so I'm always doing this.
You want the full arc.
I need the full arc.
Yeah.
You know, I just got to make sure like the sides are right, and then the back of it tends to get flat too because I sleep on my back.
I'm gonna try the rustle and pop. It doesn't quite work.
You know, it works.
So thanks, Reggie. One of the all-time great afros. Thanks for taking us through it.
It's happening.
Yeah.
It's happening.
All right, guys, that's it. If you got any style questions for GQ, leave them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.